Hi, good evening. So this case study has really come full circle with regards to some of the skills we've been introduced to throughout this course. So when I address the issue with myself and consider the data that I would have at my disposal as a potential hospital administrator or leader in this situation, the logical next step, as the prompt in this module kind of alludes to, is to properly analyze it. So immediately my thoughts go to trend analysis, which is something that we've been exposed to and utilized throughout this course in a variety of ways. And of course, this capability is readily available in the software, the Excel format and platform that we've been utilizing. So by organizing and sorting our data categorically and creating a timeline of the events, perhaps by month or by quarter, we could get a closer look at the amount of operations that were performed by the doctors and attempt to see if any other variables played a significant role in impacting the tragic results that eventually were encountered. So something we could do is to take the data and add a chart to illustrate how the operations were trending for the operators. So now we could potentially utilize a bar chart or a stack chart or something of that nature. But since a line chart is particularly good at showing the changes over time and trends, and it's extremely simple to use, I think that's probably the best way to go in this instance. So again, by categorizing our data in a chronological order at first, or sorting our data by any of the other variables that we were able to gather, such as access to healthcare and presence of pre-existing conditions, as I mentioned in some of the previous modules, highlighting and inserting a line chart, we could get a sense of where things were headed at certain individual data points and trend lines, and add trend lines to better format and understand. Again, getting a sense of how things are trending can give a considerable amount of insight to the overall viewer and potentially gives rise to further data examination. With this simple trend analysis, it provides us with the capability to forecast what results could have been encountered, and perhaps most significantly, it adds the visual element that is so crucial when attempting to understand and analyze large amounts of data. So thank you.